Ever tried to do a quick engraving or a small repair project, only to realize you're stuck untangling a cord or hunting for an outlet? That's the exact frustration this tool is designed to solve. You know the drill. You've got a piece of jewelry to polish, a hobby piece to carve, or a tight spot to sand, and your big, bulky rotary tool just isn't cooperating. The cord gets in the way, the speed feels wrong, and the whole thing becomes more hassle than help. That's where this USB cordless rotary tool comes in. It's a compact, wireless engraving pen that's built to give you freedom of movement without sacrificing power. Think of it as your go-to for those small, precise jobs where a full-sized tool is overkill. It's designed to handle tasks like engraving, drilling, polishing, sanding, and cutting on materials like wood, plastic, soft metals, and even glass. The key here is the 3-speed control, ranging from 8,500 to 21,000 revolutions per minute. That range means you can dial in the right speed for the job, slower for delicate engraving, faster for drilling or cutting. What really sets this apart is its portability. Since it charges via USB, you can use it anywhere, at your workbench, on the patio, or even in the car. No more hunting for an outlet or fighting with a cord. The battery life is designed to handle most small projects in one session, and the included accessory set gives you a solid starting point for a variety of tasks. You get bits for grinding, cutting, polishing, and engraving, all in a compact case that keeps everything organized. For realistic use, imagine you're customizing a piece of wood jewelry. You can use the engraving bit to add a design, then switch to a polishing wheel for a smooth finish. Or maybe you need to drill a small hole in a plastic model. This tool makes it easy to get into tight spaces. It's also great for removing rust from small metal parts or carving details into a piece of soft stone. The key is to match the speed to the material, lower speeds for softer materials, higher speeds for harder ones. Now, you might be wondering if it's powerful enough. It's not meant to replace a heavy-duty corded tool for large projects, but for the vast majority of hobby and light repair work, it's designed to be more than capable. The wireless design does mean you'll need to charge it, but the convenience of being cord-free often outweighs that small trade-off. And since it's USB, you can charge it from a laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. If you've been putting off small projects because your current tool is too bulky or inconvenient, this is a practical solution. It's designed to be easy to use, portable, and versatile enough for a wide range of tasks. Check the link in the description to see the full accessory set and get started on your next project without the cord hassle.